A higher CC segment bike is a dream for many of us. The urge to gain more power, but for a guy like me, bikes are not only about power, it is also about the peace I get while riding. While many of us dream to get hands on a super bike and wait for the dream to come true someday, and it's all started for me with a 155cc single cylinder engine. And at the end, it's only about the excitement it provides, the feeling of riding a beast which is ready to give its all to you. And today, I got a chance to show you the powerhouse, a bike which can make you feel like a king. Honda CBR 650R. With its 4-stroke engine, which provides 57.5 Nm torque, is enough to drive your soul out of your body. And 85 bhp power. This beast is born to rule. But wait a minute, is my skills are enough to handle this much power? What if I lose control? What if I'm not able to manifest the power? And the 4-cylinder engine is not a joke. The power inside this beast is so much, if I fall, I am not going to rise again. And the main attraction, the twin headlight gives it the perfect look what the bike really deserves. And come on, you can't ignore the sharp look of this beauty. Enough talk, now it's time for some action. Damn. And for my surprise, the bike was much lighter than expected. The seating position is comfortable as well as aggressive, and I was totally impressed by it. The 4-cylinder engine was ready to show its characters, and the bike was helping me a lot with all its potential. I was so comfortable while riding and never felt lacking behind. The bike was under my control all the time, and the brakes of this bike gave me more confidence. And it took me just 5 seconds for me to fall in love with this bike, with this beauty and the beast. I was able to feel the power of the 4-cylinder engine between my legs. Apart from the engine, is this bike can do a good acceleration? The only way to check this out is to gain some speed. So let's do it. In just no time, haha, in just no time. I was surprised to see how can a super bike can be so aggressive and a rider supportive at the same time. And if you're riding this bike, I'm damn sure you're not gonna regret anything. The braking, the acceleration, everything is pitch perfect here. And as you can see, I was giving zero efforts. No efforts was given from my side. Bike was driving on its own. The only thing you want from a bike is comfort and power, and this bike is ready to give it all. The sound of a 4-cylinder engine is so soothing. It's a music for my ears. And it always reminds you that you're driving a higher CC motorcycle. And the CBR 650R is one of the best bike of this segment.